What are you doing?
I'm working. I just can't find a good topic.
For God's sake, take a break.
Why don't we go to the movie theater? أوكي، إذا لقيت الموضوع اللي حتكلم فيه حيكون في السينما. انتظروني واعزموا أصحابكم. Hi, I haven't been to a movie for ages. So what movies are on now?
Which genre do you like?
I love action movies.
Force of Nature is a good one.
Right, I will take the 6:30 show.
Oh, it's sold out. But there is a show at 8:30.
Oh, sounds great. I want 2 tickets, please.
Choose your seats.
Well, I like to sit in the middle, so I'm going to take row K, seats number 15 and 16. Do you want something to snack on while we watch the movie?
Sure.
Okay, I'll go get us something. It's on me.
How can I help you?
I want 2 large nachos.
Anything to drink?
I'll have 2 Diet Coke.
Here you go. Enjoy your movie.
في الحوار سمعنا 3 كلمات كلهم نفس المعنى. I am going to the movies. I am going to the movies. I am going to the theater. I am going to the theater. I am going to the cinema. So movies, theater, cinema كلهم نفس المعنى. السينما. Which genre do you like? Which genre do you like? Animation, action, horror, sci-fi or scientific fiction, comedy. Now what about you? Which genre do you like? I want 2 tickets for the 6:30 show. I want 2 tickets for the 6:30 show. It is sold out. بمعنى مباعة. It is sold out. The next show starts at 8:30. The next show starts at 8:30. Do you want something to snack on while we watch the movie? Do you want something to snack on while we watch the movie? Snacks. I'll have 1 large nachos. 1 large nachos or small nachos. Large, small.